Hey there, thank you for coming to Yoga with Defina. Today we're going to start off with an easy warm-up so that we can wake up our body early in the morning or give us a nice cool down late at night. This should be good for either situation. Let's get started in our active child's pose. So our knees will come to about as wide as the mat. Your big toes will touch behind you, and you'll just lower the torso nice and long down in between the thighs. The forehead will come to rest down on the mat. Now here it's more important that the forehead come down onto the mat than it is for the hips to come down onto the heels. If this isn't comfortable for you for any back pain reason, then you can always come up into puppy pose with the forehead on the mat. But do what feels good for your body and find the pose where you can rest for a couple of breaths. We'll just be here, observing our breath, inhaling in through the nose and out through the mouth. These are cleansing breaths. Two more breaths here. On your next exhale, halfway through the exhale out the mouth, just close the mouth and allow the breath to graze along the back of the throat. We'll start out ujjayi breathing. Feeling that ujjayi breathing, that grazing of the breath along the back of the throat again as you inhale. It'll sound maybe like an ocean's wave. And this is the part of your practice where you can set an intention for your class and for your practice. This intention can be for yourself or for a loved one. It can be a one word, such as strength, power, or love, or a mantra that you go to often. Two more breaths here. After your next exhale, come up into a tabletop position. The hands will come directly underneath the shoulders. Bring the knees together and allow the knees to come directly underneath the hips. Tops of the feet can be flat on the mat, or you can tuck the toes under for a little bit more support. We're gonna go into cat-cow poses. All 10 fingers are spread nice and wide. Take a deep inhale with a neutral spine, and then exhale and send the spine up towards the ceiling. Tuck the tailbone under, drop the head between the biceps for cat. Keeping the low belly pulled in, drop the spine down to the mat, lift the heart, lift the hips for cow. Exhale, back to cat, keeping the hips directly over the knees. Inhale, send you back to cow. As you move through your cat-cows, just move on your inhale and exhale. There's no rush here. And as you go through cat, just allow the shoulder blades to graze along the back of the body, using it as a moment to massage the back of the body in those tight areas where we tend to hold stress. One more round of your cat-cow here. And come back to a neutral spine. We'll just work on a little core belly strengthening. Send the left hand forward and the right leg back. Keep the low belly pulled in. Toes can either point towards the back of the wall, room behind you, or flex the foot down towards the mat. Exhale, lower the hand and knee back to the mat. Switch to the opposite side, left leg, right arm. Keep the low belly pulled in, can point the foot, and then flex the foot. Exhale, bring the palm back to the mat. Let's do that one more time on each side. Stretching out the spine. Inhales, lift the body up. Exhales, bring the body back down. From here, we'll just come and turn around and lie down on our back. Bring the knees to the right side and just swing your feet around. You can bend the knees and grab behind the thighs and gently lower yourself down to the mat. Laying out long here. Just for a breath in Shavasana. Bend the knees once again. And let's bring the left foot to the right knee. So just a gentle cross of the legs. And now inhale and bring the right leg up to the chest. This is a version of thread the needle. There are a lot of different versions. Here, this is stretching out our left glute and hamstring. Keeping that right foot relaxed. Try to even relax the left foot, opening up your left hip a little bit more. As you inhale, lengthen the spine. As you exhale, try to bring the knee closer into the chest. Exhale, lower that leg down to the mat. And let's switch out the feet. So your right ankle is coming to the left knee. Inhale, bring your left knee to the chest. And you're just gonna interlace your hands behind the left hamstring. Stretching out your right glute and right hamstring now. Relax that right foot and relax the left foot. Use your bicep muscles to pull the leg closer. Try to keep the shoulders relaxed here. Still focusing on your breath. One more breath. Exhale, lower the legs back down to the mat and just come back to Shavasana. Nice and gentle. And that's all for today.